Hello everyone, welcome back to Yarns and Fins. I am Kay, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to crochet this top. Tutorial for the skirt is also available to watch. I'll put the video link on the description box below. In this tutorial, I will be using this Fairland acrylic wool yarn sent by Lots of Yarn. I will put their shop link on the description box below. For this top, I only used 127 grams for size extra small. We will also be using a 4mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, darning needle, at least 5 stitch marker, and or 6 stitch marker, and a measuring tape. To begin, make a slip knot and chain a chain that can wrap around underarm level and is a multiple of 6. For my size, I made a total of 138 chains, and that is 72 cm in length. After that, divide your chains into 6 and attach your markers, and then make sure that the chains are not twisted and slip stitch on your first chain. Now to begin round 1, chain 2, that does not count as double crochet, and work your first double crochet on the same chain. And then work double crochet in each of the next chains until you reach your first chain with marker. When you get to your first stitch marker, work 2 double crochets on the same chain. After that, don't forget to grab your stitch marker and attach on the second stitch. And then continue with a double crochet in each of the next chains until you reach your next stitch marker, and repeat the same step. Repeat this for the whole round. After that, it should look like this. To finish round 1, we will work our last increase, and to do that, double crochet at the base of the chain 2 at the beginning. And then slip stitch on your first double crochet. For round 2, begin with chain 2, again that does not count as double crochet, and work your first double crochet on the same stitch. Then continue with a double crochet in each of the next stitches until you reach your first stitch marker. On the stitch with marker, work 2 double crochet same stitch. And then grab your marker and attach on the second stitch. Continue with a double crochet on the next stitches and repeat the same step on the next marker. Repeat that steps for the whole round. After that, it should look like this. And then to finish round 2, again we will work our last increase, and that is by making a double crochet in the base of the chain 2 at the beginning. And then finish with a slip stitch on the first double crochet. Then after that, repeat round 2 pattern for 7 more rounds. That is a total of 9 rounds for size extra small. For larger sizes, you can add more rounds until it measures or stretches a total of your bust circumference and 2 arm circumference. For example, mine is a 33-inch bust and a 9-inch arm. So that is 9 plus 9 plus 33 and a total of 51. Now to determine the armhole, you just have to divide your arm circumference into 2. Mine is 4.5. So here, we will attach our marker. Of course, do the same on the other side. Now for a round 1 with the body part, begin with chain 2 and work double crochet in each of the next stitches until you reach your stitch marker. Now once you get to the stitch with a marker, we will skip the armhole and we will work our next double crochet on the opposite stitch of the marker. Then continue with a double crochet in each of the next stitches. This is how the armhole should look like. Continue with the double crochets in each of the next stitches until you reach your next stitch marker, and repeat the same steps here, and then again continue with the double crochets until the end of the round. After that, the armholes should look like this. To finish round 1, we will not increase at the end anymore, so we will immediately work a slip stitch on the first double crochet of the round. Now to begin round 2, chain 2 and work your first double crochet on the same stitch, and then continue with a double crochet in each of the next stitches for the whole round. At the end of round 2, we won't be making an increase again, so we will immediately work a slip stitch on the first double crochet of the round. Repeat round 2 pattern for 9 more rounds, a total of 11. For larger sizes, or if you want it longer, you can add more rounds. After 9 rounds, it should look like this, and this measures a total of 22 centimeters in length. To finish the piece, slip stitch on your first double crochet or secure your yarn with your own technique. And just like that, we are again done with our tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the like button and the notification bell. And of course, subscribe if you want more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.